Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a PDF CV from Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta load any Canva template from the Canva templates and then you can edit it according to your own choice. Type down your own credentials on the CV and now when you wish to download it, you gotta click on the share icon at the top right and then you gotta click on download. So you gotta make sure that the file type is set to PDF standard. Click on it and you can select various other options such as compressed PDF, flattened PDF if you have texts and images and you want them to be on one layer. Then for that, you gotta select flattened PDF and then we have is include notes, match reading order to layers and also password protection. So once you have selected all of these, you can simply click on download and that is how you can download any PDF CV from Canva. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.